Okay, on the vet, I put some gear oil in there. It was low. Before I tear this rear down, the rear end down, because I checked the play. The play seemed to be okay. So what we're gonna do, road test it and see what we got. Test driving the vet. Window's dirty, need to clean it up. Seeing what it do. Put some gear oil in there, it's a lot better. Oh. There you go. Gas a little low. Some gas in it tomorrow. Got the carburetor out too. Oh, got some power. Pretty good. Pretty good. I've been sitting up a long time. But it needs to be driven every day.